Hi everybody, in this screencast I want to show you how to download Julia for Windows, and so I just type Julia download, and you can see the first link that Google shows us is already the correct link. Here you see the logo of the Julia community, and what we need here is the Windows self-extracting archive. I have a 64-bit version, so simply click on that. Now you can see at the bottom that the download begins. So while the download still is running, let's just take a quick look at what the web page says here. So there are three ways for you to run Julia. And the first one is just the terminal version, which is what we right now download. But what we are ultimately striving for is the Juno integrated development environment, which allows you to simultaneously manage Julia source files with extension .jl, and also provides you some kind of interactivity with your console. So we will see how this works out later. And if you really just want to have a quick peek into what Julia is, you can also start Julia Box in your browser, so you don't need to install anything, and you have immediate access to the quite beautiful iJulia notebook environment. The only problem here is that you are provided with a complete Julia install, which may be a different version that you'd like to have, and also it's if you want to keep your package installations over multiple sessions, then this is not working. And iJulia notebooks, although they provide a really beautiful way to share an analysis with both pictures, graphics, and also some explanations in HTML or something like that, still it's not the best way to handle source files themselves. So what we want to have here is a local version, and that allows us full access to package installations and editing source files. Now we can see that the download has finished, so I just click on that. So it's extracting the files. And now I can choose where I want to install Julia, so I just click and take the default paths, and this will take some time. Now that the Julia installation is completed, we'll just add an additional desktop shortcut, and we'll click on finish. So here you can see in the default path we have our Julia binary, and also on the desktop, of course, we can see the Julia shortcut. So we just started, and as you can see, there is a terminal popping up, and right now if we type something in here, you can see that Julia is already working. But of course the problem is you still although you can type in some commands, it's not the best way to save multiple commands or your command history for later usage. So when you want to do this, you need to store your commands in a script file, and therefore we will additionally download an editor which also allows us some interactivity.